This video shows two installation methods for Siterwell smoke and smoke CO alarms. Drilling versus adhesive mounting. Please note that not all models offer both installation options. For details, feel free to reach out to your local sales representative. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of these two installation methods so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Enjoy shopping with Siterwell.